What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. We hope you guys have been keeping well. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah, we'd highly appreciate that. And
we got a lot of we got a lot of work in today. We won't say what it is because of what we said in the last video, so we'll try our best to keep that promise. And as we said in that last video, please leave comments of things you want to ask us, anything that you have in mind, as we will make a video soon with all those comments and give obviously the answers and hopefully assist in anything you guys want.
so yeah, as you guys saw in the thumbnail of the video, we do have the gearbox here and we potentially going to install it.
Hopefully, yes.
Yeah, but anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. The baby has been delivered.
The baby's too heavy, bruh. So I must turn it for you. I don't leave your lady on. Hey. What is that silver guy in
the Silver Surfer?
Yeah. The powers, they're coming to me. Maybe we should put that in. It's gonna make it look bad. You need assistance, bro. Does it need a turn?
Just wait, Chris. David.
I'm just basically balancing it. I'm not pushing.
Chris, are you protecting Shell?
I'm Superman right now. Huh? Hold on. How, is this attached to something?
Just bend it away.
Bend it away, yo. Where is the end? And I know what I'm bending. Oh, nice. Okay.
Shell makes me super nervous because he was laying under the car and I just got a bit scared on his behalf.
He's the way Shale basically does it is he holds the gearbox and no one else is holding it now, and he lets go. It's like, but I drop it on my face, but I want to feel it.
But anyway, it's in. Yeah. Is it in, Shell?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
If his life isn't on the line, is it worth it?
I saw someone commented on one of the videos that Shale is a beast, and he
Well,
really is a beast.
With the way he values his life, maybe.
Beast.
Anything for the channel.
Beast.
First class, come and clean your hands.
So we in. How are we looking?
It's actually looking
The
good.
transplant.
We put the bolts in the wrong way. One was shorter than the other, and we thought it was like this, but it should have been like that. If that makes any sense. But yeah, we're in now. If you have a look, it's looking really good actually. It looks like it should. That's the thing.
So this thing was resprayed. Shell wanted to take the spray off, and we told him just to leave it.
Yeah, I mean, there's some of the spray was coming off, hence the silver hands. Yeah, but
Yeah, so we're just gonna leave it.
But the thing's gonna get covered in. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll clean it up, make it look nice where you can visibly see. And that's a terrible thing to say, but it looks great actually. You can't see any problems. So.
Okay guys, so that's all we have for today. As you saw, we actually put the gearbox in today.
Yes,
we
did.
wanted to do a few other stuff, but
Yeah.
time and stuff, and yeah, Shell's working on a few other things. So yeah, that's all for today.
So yes, the gearbox is in. The next plan should be around the mark of drive shaft mounting, engine mountings, and the starter. So that should be coming soon. But we are at least made some good progress today. So yeah, we're getting there.
So yeah guys,
Please don't forget to like the video.
Yes.
Subscribe. That notification bell should be maybe there, assuming Cole puts me in the right position. And please follow us on Instagram. That's crispy_works with an X.
Yeah.
And catch us in the next one.
Yeah.